Would you survive 24 hours in the Amazon? Here are the hidden dangers. Danger 1. Bullet ants. Their sting is ranked the most painful in the world. Danger 2. Apex predators like jaguars and anacondas roam the jungle silently. Danger 3. Mosquitoes here carry dangerous diseases, tiny but deadly. Danger 4. Sudden storms can cause flash floods that appear out of nowhere. Danger 5. The forest is a massive maze. Without experience, you can get lost within minutes. Would you dare explore the Amazon? Tell me in the comments.